Hello my dear students, in this video I am going to show you how to do basic color correction in Camtasia Studio. So without any further delay, let's start it. I already added a sample video clip in timeline. To start doing color correction, before that, to see the difference better, I just simply split it right here. Now my one video clip divided into two clips. Now let's say we do color correction of our second part of this clip. To do this, select your preferred clip and then click on this Visual Effects tab. And here you see bunch of different visual effects are available. To do color correction, simply select color adjustment and click and drag and drop it of your preferred clip. And instantly here you see by default it looks like a black and white video clip. For color adjustment, on the right side here you see a color adjustment options, and under this here you see brightness, contrast and saturation slider. I just simply slightly minimize the value of contrast, brightness and increase the value of saturation to make this colorful. I just simply set contrast in around 60 and increase the value of saturation a little bit more to make this more colorful. Alright. Yes, our basic color adjustment is done. Let's play this clip.
Basically, for whatever reason, Google decided on Oreo, on the Pixel 2 XL, they will show just sRGB, which is a certain range of colors.
Alright, and this is the previous one.
Do about it, that's just the way it is. It's not a deal breaker. It's not a deal breaker to most people. sRGB, which is a certain range of colors.
Makes sense, right? So in this way, you can easily do color correction using color adjustment inside of Camtasia Studio to make your videos look professional and artistic. Thank you so much for watching.